Alright, this is the last example, and this one, they give us 2 points. So if they give us 2 points, we probably need to find the slope. So remember, slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I always like to just go in order, x1, y1, x2, y2. It keeps me from, making a mistake. So it's negative 10 minus 2. And then we've got 12 minus 9. So negative 10 minus 2 is a negative 12. 12 minus 9 is a 3. That will reduce down to a negative 4. So now we've got a slope and we've got a point. So slope, point, we're going to do point-slope form. So remember, this is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So y minus 2 is equal to negative 4 x minus 9. And then all we have to do is now convert it into slope-intercept form. So distribute that negative 4 through, and I get y minus 2 is equal to negative 4x plus 36. Add 2 to both sides. Y is equal to negative 4x plus 38.